Center for Biological Diversity is the nation's premier endangered species protection organization. We have protected hundreds of different animal and native plant species under the Endangered Species Act, and we've gotten sweeping reforms in land and river and even ocean policy across the United States. And we work to ensure that people also have a livable planet, addressing the climate crisis.
To protect these plants and animals, we've done hundreds of lawsuits. We continue to use the science that's available to us, and we create new science.
Here in the Southwest, we've been working on a number of endangered wildlife species. The Mexican gray wolf.
I've got traps in here. We're trying to catch one particular wolf. She has been depredating on livestock. We'll remove her and put her in jail. The pups are big enough that the male can raise them.
The wolf is going to step right here to sniff on that bait. Unfortunately, this is the difference between freedom and permanent captivity for an animal who deserves to stay out here. We largely shut down the government's trapping program. We've pushed to get more wolves released into the wild to deal with the genetic crisis. Well, we got the jaguar on the endangered species list, which used to live in the Southwest, and we've got 750,000 acres of its habitat protected that jaguars need to thrive. The yellow-billed cuckoo makes this amazing migration from South America to here in the Southwest. All too often, the streamside forests that it depends on have been cleared, or the water's been withdrawn for development. And now we're fighting to protect its habitat to ensure that when the cuckoos make that amazing migration, there will always be streamside forests, flowing water, and caterpillars and the like for them to eat.
Protection of the Mexican spotted owl has resulted in protection of tens of thousands of acres of upper elevation forest. Without those efforts, those forests were scheduled to be cut, destroyed.
People can make a tremendous difference being involved in our campaigns, whether it's working online with our action alerts, going to meetings and protests and rallies to speak up for endangered species.
We at the Center over the last 30 years have been the leading environmental organization. What we really need now is for the public to join our efforts at protecting these plants, animals, and their disappearing habitat.